Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Guide. I have something different than teaser today, that is trick for the day. Yes friends, today I have a mathematics trick for you. That is an easy trick to multiply the 3-digit number less than 120. We often struggle to multiply the 3-digit numbers. Here I have a very easy and quick trick for multiplication of 3-digit number which is less than 120. Let us take the example of multiplying two 3-digit numbers, that is 108 and 109. So in order to multiply these two numbers in an easy way, first find the difference of each digit from 100. So in this case, difference of 108 from 100 will be 8 and difference for 109 from 100 is 9. So we got two numbers by subtracting them, that is 8 and 9. Now cross add the differences to original number. So 8 being the difference of 108, we are adding it to 109, and 9 being the difference of 109, we are adding it to 108, and we get a common number 117. So this becomes your first part of the answer. So wasn't that easy to find the first part of the answer? Let me recall. First find the difference of each digit from 100 and then cross add them. Just that was simple. Okay, let's move to the second part of the answer. That is step 3 here. It's very simple. Just multiply those two differences which you have got. 9 into 8 which is 72. Yes guys, that becomes the second part of your answer. So your answer is 11772. That's it. So the product of 108 and 109 is 11772. I'm sure that you are going to use this trick in your exams and it will help you to be smarter and sharper and save time in your exam. Happy learning. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be sharing more such tricks, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications.